Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make some slime. So it's my first time making slime, so let's see if I ruin it or it's a big good. So let's see. So yeah, I have some glue, some activator and moisturizer. Moisturizer makes the slime soft. So let's start. Okay, so I'll be showing you this from a different angle. So let's start. So here we have some glue. Oh, well, that's a oh my gosh, I have added some glue. I'm adding a little bit of glue only so that it does not get wasted. Now we have some activator. And we'll add some activator in it. Don't add too much, but activate it. So now we have to mix it. So I like to mix it by hand, so let's start. So I'll be mixing it like crazy. Oh my gosh. I'll show you the results when I'm done mixing. Oh guys, I'm done with my slime and it's like a lot stretchy. And it's so soft. So for it to be more soft, we're going to put some moisturizer. So let's do it. Yep, I love this slime. Should I keep it here? Yep, I'm keeping it here. Now I'll take some moisturizer and I'll take a little bit on my finger. Now I have my slime. So when I have my slime, I'll put the moisturizer inside my slime. I'll have to mix it. Mixy. Ow, it hurt. Yep, I'm sorry, but now we have to mix it. It'll become like a little bit gooey and it'll be like a little dirty, but keep mixing it. Guys, you all know when I was small I loved slime, but we used to not get some slime, so we were always sad and bored. But now as I have slime, I love it. I've already made some slime and I'll show you that ahead. After mixing, add a little bit of activator so it does not become sticky. After you're done, this is a slime. So let me show you the slime I've made already.